So this is your website. You can promote your website using for Facebook. What are the best three ways for promoting your Facebook? That is called, first one is called your Facebook page. One is called with mapping or without mapping. Any business with a location will be there. The location will be showing for in your mapping with address. Second, for your branding page. Here will be promoting for total three ways: get message, get direction, get phone call. Here promotion will be two things. One is called video, second will be photographs. So first of all, you can see here, I can share by the mapping. Just I'm clicking for get direction. In the direction will they're showing for map. So in this one, select it, add your photograph. So anything will be publicity more using on photographs. Select here on your title. So in this one, select on a post. Now, add your location will be along with the hashtags. So hashtag will be very important from the powerful for your content. Add here. Next one, add your extension also very important. That is called here. Final one, go to your website, copy the services, you can add your URL also. That is called people coming to your URL purpose. In this one, you can submit your content. So here, what is showing for get direction. In this, click for publish. If anyone looking for any kind of direction of web design development company in Madhapur in Hyderabad location, they come into your Facebook page along with the direction. When click for direction, they show your direction on your Facebook page to your location directions. This is called first one. Next one, if you're looking for any people for get call, means that received by business calls. Click for get call. In this get call, we have the two options. One is along with photograph, along with the video also. Same will be on get message and get direction also. Change your photograph. Here I'm adding for customer services. Best digital marketing services, Madhapur, Hyderabad. So in this, heading for video marketing, Facebook marketing, SMO, SEO, and SEM, AdWords, campaign. Select it. After that, go to your services. Click the services. Copy the URL. Post it. You can give for caller, WhatsApp. Add your number. If you are not looking for this number, you can getting for this number also. So finally get by call button. Now click for publish. So this is called, you can promote your get option. Same like I'm promoting for send message also. Send message nothing but they can chat with us your Facebook Messenger chat. So totally we can promote for each and every post, get call, get messenger and get direction. One is called with mapping, second will be without mapping. One is called business service, second will be local services. These two will be using for three best way to we can market on your business on your Facebook page. That will be called engage with your customer using Facebook business page. That is called each and every Facebook page required for the one is brand page, one is called local business page.